going to be building a workbench with nothing but a saw from the 40s and a modern day drill. It's going to sound like an excuse, but my frickin' camera deleted most of my footage of all the cuts that I did. But these were all cut by hand. As you can see, that's pretty rough. Don't worry, there's still more to build. Not bad for just some construction screws, a handsaw, and a modern day drill. The workbench is going to be a 3 foot by 5 foot. Guys, we're almost there. We just need to add a little more reinforcement to it. Unfortunately, I'm almost out of lumber, so I'm going to have to make a run to Home Depot. Make sure you subscribe so we can build this thing together. And let me know in the comments if it looks like crap.